Okay.
Okay, we'll start in standing, strong mountain pose, hands at heart center, shoulders down and back, closing the eyes, feeling the breath going in and out of the body. As you inhale, feel the breath going all the way down to the feet, into the ground, rooting you into the ground like a strong tree. As you inhale, feel the energy moving through the body. And as you breathe, feel that energy coming up through the crown, coming out like a light. Feel that light surround your body in warmth. And feel that energy and warmth all through your body. Begin to deepen the breath and flutter the eyes open. And on the next inhale, we'll bring our arms up overhead, clasping the fingers together, and on the exhale, come over to the right side. Feeling this half moon, breathing in, filling the lungs. And as we inhale, come back to center and exhale to the other side. Deep breathing, feeling the breath throughout the body. And inhale back to center. Keeping the fingers clasped, bring them down in front of you, and we'll start to make waves. One way, warming up the wrists, very exaggerated, feeling it in the shoulders. Pause for a second and try to go the other way. I don't know if I did or not. You can stop that and shake it out. Take your right ear and bring it over to your right shoulder. Breathe into the side of the neck. If it feels good, you can hold the head. And release that if you're holding it. Bring the head up and over to the other side. Resting the left ear on the left shoulder. You can bring the hand up to deepen the stretch. Breathe into that. Release the hand, bring the head back up to center, and we'll begin rolling the neck all the way around, starting with chin to the chest and going in either direction, making sure you're going all the way back, looking up at the sky. Breathe with this. And the next time the chin meets the chest, go ahead and go the other way. And come back to center. We'll take our arms out in front of us and moving the wrists all the way down, all the way up. Do this a few times. And now we'll pause, make two fists, and roll in circles. And the other way. take our hands and put them down on our knees and just roll our knees. And the other way. And come back up to standing. Taking the right foot, you can relax the toes on the ground or bring them up in the air, and we'll roll our ankles. Going one way and then the other. Bring that one down, shake it out, and move over to the other foot. Up, shake everything out. We're going to start at the front of our mats with a sun salutation A. Taking a deep breath and exhale, fold forward. Pausing here for a moment. Moving hips side to side, grabbing each elbow, warming up the backs of the legs. And on your next inhale, we'll come up to halfway lift, straight back, sticking the hips back. And we'll exhale, hands to the ground, step back into a plank, pausing either in your high plank or with the knees on the ground. And on the exhale, we'll come down, chaturanga, or knees, chest, and chin. And inhale up into cobra. Exhale, tuck the toes, coming into downward facing dog. Take 3 deep breaths in your downward facing dog. Pedal the feet. Pushing the hips up and back, straightening the back, shoulders away from the ears. We'll walk our feet up to the front of the mat. Forward fold. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, we'll fold forward. And inhale all the way up. We're not going to do any more down dogs. We're all done. Well, we are at the end, so leave them. Leave them. Okay. All right. So standing in our strong, tall mountain, we're going to inhale. Arms up, and we're going to take your left foot and step it back into warrior 2 legs. Bring your arms out in front of you and behind you. Take a look back, make sure your shoulders are level. Breathe into this warrior 2. Feel the strength in both legs. And we'll flip that front hand and come back into our reverse warrior, breathing into it, feeling that stretch. And on your next inhale, we'll come back through warrior 2, bending the front arm and lowering it down onto the thigh, coming into a side angle. Swoop the hand up over the ear, open the chest, look up to the sky. Make sure you're not dumping all your weight onto that thigh. Make sure that your abs are staying strong and holding you up. And breathe into this. And come back up into warrior 2. Now place your hands on your hips. We're going to take that back foot and turn the toes up. Coming down into a lunge. Make sure your back foot is down on the ground. Yeah, let it slide all the way down so your foot's flat in the back, not on their toes. Perfect. Now, lift the arms up and a little back bend. Breathe into this. Bring arms down into cactus. take your left foot, well, this isn't a foot, but whatever foot you have down on the ground, take the opposite hand, placing it right next to it, and we'll come up into a twist. You can have the arms straight up or on your lower back, but breathe into the twist, feel it. Bring both hands down, framing the feet, tuck the back toes, and lift yourself back up, bringing both feet to center. And inhale to come up. And exhale, hands to heart. So from here, I want to turn, and we're going to come wide leg. I can't see the time, so I don't know where or not. So we'll be in a wide leg stance.
10-15.
So coming into a wide leg stance, we're going to inhale the arms up and fold forward. If you have blocks, you can lean on the blocks or have your hands all the way down onto the ground. And just stay in this forward fold and begin to bend one knee, coming over, and then the other, just to warm everything up slowly and with your own breath. Make sure the head is hanging heavy. And move it side to side easily. And now take a deep breath, and we'll come all the way up. And coming into a lunge on your left leg, on this leg. Whatever side that is, right on your side. Come to your right side so you're mirroring me. Okay, so from here, we're gonna come into our lunge just slowly and out of it 3 times with your breath. Exhaling down, inhaling up. And when you've done 3, come back to center, raising the arms up and coming down into goddess. And breathe and inhale up, exhale down into goddess, inhale to 5-pointed star, to goddess, 5-pointed star. And now bring the hands back down to your hips and breathe. And we'll inhale, arms up, coming back down into our forward fold, releasing everything. And from here, we'll start bending our knees again, side to side. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart. We're going to do our lunge on the other side. So exhale into the lunge. Inhale up. Exhale. One more time. Now we'll take our back feet and place them toward the front. Bring our other foot back, and we're going to come into the lunge on this side. Inhale the arms up, knee into the lunge, cactus arms, mini back bend. take your left foot and come back into warrior two. Or was that how you were?
No.
No, we're on the other.
We're on the other side.
So you're correct now?
Yes. Good, good.
Okay. So I can't see me. That's okay. Go into warrior two. Breathe into this. Flip the front hand and come into reverse warrior. Breathe. Bend that front arm. Go down into side angle. Swoop the arm up over the ear. Breathe into this. Exhale into warrior two. Straighten that front leg. Turn the back toes facing forward and come back up into mountain. We'll do one more sun salutation before we come to the ground. So inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Plant the hands, coming back down into plank. Chaturanga. Flip the toes into upward facing dog. Tuck the toes. Downward facing dog. And breathe through this 3 times. And instead of walking our hands back up to the front of the mat, we'll just come down on our hands and knees. And then down into a seated position. Bring your feet, get the soles of your feet together for butterfly. You have a strap with you?
Yes.
Okay, so while you're in butterfly, we're gonna take the strap. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna bring it around your back like this, and then you're gonna take the straps and just drop them right over your shoulders. And then here you're gonna take them and cross them. I got a super short one. Do you have a really short one too? Okay.
Thank you.
Perfect. Now take them and just pull down on those straps. Making yourself sit up tall and straight. Put your backpack on and breathe into this. And close your eyes. Start softening your breath. Focus on long, slow inhales and long, slow exhales. Take a moment, scanning the body from head to toe, feeling if there's any tension, anything that you feel, any pain, and just release that. Breathe into it, feeling the heart open. And on the next exhale, let go of those straps, release the strap to the ground. And breathe. Let's bring our feet out in front of us. Release all of the skin and everything so that your sit bones are firmly on the ground. So you feel grounded. Straighten and lengthen the back. Inhale the arms up. And exhale, fold all the way forward. Breathing into this forward bend. exhale, come a little closer. And on the next inhale, begin to walk the hands out to seated. And we'll go ahead and come down to our backs. We'll take our right foot, placing the ankle above the left knee, and bringing the left leg in toward our body, either holding the back of the thigh or the front of the shin. If you want to use a strap, you can strap it around your foot to bring that left leg closer. As you bring the left leg closer, you can push that right knee out. Feeling the stretch. Breathing into it. And after your next breath, go ahead and release that down. We'll switch sides. Placing the left ankle over the right knee, bringing that right foot back, pushing the left knee out and away, breathing into this. Making yourself comfortable, getting any of the last few movements out before we start Shavasana. Lying down on your back, finding a comfortable position, feet falling outward, lying with a pillow or bolster underneath your knees, pillow under your head, the hands up or down to the ground, and relax the whole body.
Do all of you accept this Reiki?
Yes.
Yes.
repeating the thing, bringing your attention.
Bring your attention to your breath.
Start deepening the breath, wiggling the fingers and toes, making small movements, stretching the arms up overhead, rolling over to one side, and coming up into a seated position. Hands at heart center. We'll close today's practice with the chant of Om, inhaling for Om. Thank you all for coming today. Have a wonderful Sunday. Namaste.